Good morning, respected teacher and my dear friends. My name is Mohammad Saif Alam, a sixth semester B.Tech student at Millia Institute of Technology, Purnia. Today I am going to present my project on our college gallery website. As a student and budding developer, I want to create something useful for our campus. The idea behind this project was to build a digital platform where a student and faculty can easily view and share our college memory, workshop, seminar, or cultural fest. This project designed to be a modern, central, and accessible online gallery for institutions. This project was a practical journey into a full stack web development. I use HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript to design a responsive interactive interface. The server is built with Node.js and Express.js, which handles the application logics. For storing image and event details, I use MySQL manage through XAMPP and phpMyAdmin. The development process involved UI designing, code, database connectivity, and testing. One major challenge was integrating the backend with database. I had to learn SQL queries, synchronizing programming in Node.js, but overcoming this gave me hand-on experience in solving real-world problems. To run this website, we need software, a browser, Chrome or Firefox, and XAMPP for MySQL, and Node.js installed. Database configure in MySQL, easy manageable via phpMyAdmin. Hosting. Currently, I am hosting in local server, but it can be easily deployed on any hosting service that support Node.js and MySQL. Now we will talk about some advantages and limitations. In advantage, all college memory are available in one place. Cost and space saving, no need for a physical album or printing, can be accessible anytime, anywhere. Organized archive, create structured digital record of our college event. Here is some limitation. Maintenance need a regular update to be keep it fresh. Server dependency require internet and running server. Security must be properly managed to prevent unauthorized access. In our conclusion, this project creates a modern, accessible, and efficient platform for our college digital memory. While building it, I gained a valuable skill in full stack development, database management, and problem solving. I strongly believe this project can help Millia Institute of Technology preserve and share its vibrant culture in a much more modern way. Thank you for your time and attention. I would be happy to answer any question.